what's up guys? It's Febby. Well, it's been always ko na lang ito sinasabi mo, it's been a very long time and I think I'm working now. Nagtatrabaho na ako. Yay, I'm a working girl. So I'm working at iStore Ayala. I'm a sales associate. Sales associate. And now, pupunta na ako ng store but I think hindi ako makakapasok kasi wala akong ID. Nakalimutan ko yung ID ko sa ibang bag ko. And nagkakalata. Well, I'm in na. I read some comments on my channel and may someone na nag-ask na she saw me at the store and she's afraid to approach me. You see me working at the store, huwag kayong mahiya. Huwag kayong mahiyang kausapin ako. Huwag kayong mahiyang nakitan ako. Kasi hindi naman ako nangangagat. Yun lang. So if you saw me, you see me, pasok agad sa store, say something to me. Mas maganda kasi yun, nag-uusap. And I want to interact with you guys. Personally, I want to see your happy faces. Ganon. Ngayon, papunta na ako ng store. Hindi pa ako nakapag-lipstick. Simpleng makeup, simpleng ayos ng hair. Kasi hindi masyadong magarbo ang aking tinatrabahuan. And just for the experience. You know, pagkatapos, ang bilis ng panahon, it's been almost 3 weeks. And na-survive ko yung tatayo ng ilang oras kasi ako yung tipong tao na tamad tumayo yun. Tapos yung work ko is tatayo store, talk to the customers. Ayun, for the first week ay grabe, ang sakit-sakit ng paa ko, yung tipong susuko na ako kasi ang sakit-sakit ng paa ko. And I hate that feeling. I hate that kind of feeling. But right now, I'm okay. I'm totally fine. Wearing my shoes. Yeah. Yun lang. And I'm so happy. Mag-work ako to buy some products, to test it out. At least hindi na ako maghihingi ng pera sa mama ko. And may pang-giveaways na ako for you guys. Yay! Di pa kayo na-excite? Ako na-excite ako na. So, I got my first salary last week. But, the small amount. But, you know, worth it. Kahit maliit lang yun. Muna, masaya ako. And, first sweldo is, hindi ko muna siya gagastosin. Siguro yung mga 500, igagasto ko siya pang Mother's Day. Kasi malapit na Mother's Day, this coming Sunday, bibili ako ng bibili ako ng flowers sa mama ko. And malapit na tayo sa store. Yay! Tadan! 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 I'm at the store! Yay! Welcome to iStore. Say hello to JC. That's Jimmy. Sketchip. And mag-work muna ako guys. I'll see you later. Hey, what's up guys? It's my lunch break time. And well, it's so freaking hot right now. Char! Papunta na ako ng food court kasi may may baon ako. May baon akong lunch. Yan. So, let's go. Let's eat. So, may dala akong baon, rice, at saka Yung ulam ko is San Marino. So, ngayon, may plus dinuguan kasi favorite ko ang dinuguan. Nagpabili ako ng dinuguan kay Kuya Chief. So, sarap. San Marino corn tuna. Ulam ko everyday. Konting kanin lang. Ayan. For the charm. Dapat gagawa ko ng video na you ask everything about me or anything. So, hashtag FebiAsk. FebiAsk. Questions for Febby. Yun. Hello guys, good morning. So, di na ako nakapag-vlog or di na ako nakapag-video kahapon kasi I'm so tired. And, yeah. Standing up and everything. So, yun. Nakakapagod lang tayo, pero I'm so happy because okay yung mga ka-workmates ko. Ayan. And for the sake of the experience, this is it. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching and see you guys soon. Bye!